It's your boy Jay Will back with another video. Let's get it. I received the email about a new product alert. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to direct link this product and brand bid on it. And also, since it's a newer product, the clicks should be a lot cheaper. So we should make a lot more money off this product. This is the email I received. What is your product? Dentivide. Less competition. No traffic restrictions. So we're gonna promote this right here, Dentivide. I'm gonna swing over here to ClickMagic. Create a new tracking link for this specific product. You can find this product on ClickBank. I'm just gonna use it from here. And grab this information right here, copy. Paste it in here. Put in the ClickBank information. Just test it out. Okay, it works. Name Dentivide. Save, create link. Let's create new campaign. Visit to my website, search ads, next. Name of this campaign, Dentivide. Spend $100 per day. There we go. Save and exit. Keywords. I already have some saved up here. These are the keywords I'm gonna use. Right here, I'm gonna do phrase match, exact match, scramble keywords. Copy and paste that in there. Scroll down, save and go to the next step. Create new ad. Dentivide. Oral health. Use this and go to 90% off today only. Free shipping. Order now. Slide over here, grab our tracking link. Paste that in here. Get the query stream. We go back to our regular website. I'm gonna grab the website. Copy and paste that up in here. Okay, you can copy this same description right here that I typed in. You can pause the video and grab this if you need to. After you create your ad, gonna scroll down, save and go to the next step. Gonna start our bid at $5. Come down, add distribution, Bing and error as only, and click save. Now, since this product is fairly new, it's not gonna get much traffic at the beginning, but over the course of the time, keep this ad running to get more and more clicks, more and more sales, and this product is gonna be more and more popular. It's a really good product in the future, so keep an eye on this product. And meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment, and add me on Instagram at JWillTV.